Want to know how to change your appearance to dark mode in Shortwave? So by default, sometimes Shortwave might come with a light mode thing. So if you want to convert it to dark mode, this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, just simply open up your shortwave.com application or the website, and it should be under this interface by default. Now on the top right side, you should be seeing settings right here with the gear icon. Below your avatar, the symbols like that. Now once it opens up, here under my account you should be seeing appearance right below inbox setup. So now once you have selected that, your appearance should look something like this right here. Now since we want to change to dark mode, you can just select dark right here, and it should be automatically updated. If it does not update, you can just simply reload your browser, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.